also catch your favorite stars, yes, live via web.
That's great!
Tama. Ito po ang ultimate craze ngayon ng bayan noon. All you have to do is log on to asap.abs-cbn.com. Is that simple? Yes, and
Right.
I'm sure crazy na rin ang lahat na makising along with our next performer.
So, please welcome Tony Gonzaga, Yen Constantino, and Eric Santos! What a heartfelt and really inspirational
Ang
number.
ganda, diba?
Yes, we have you with us,
Yes.
Nixon C, Audio
Hi,
Marketing Head of
Mr.
Star
Nixon.
Records,
Welcome.
who has a surprise for us.
Hi guys, hi. On
Yeah.
behalf of Star Records, I would like to thank you and congratulate you for the May Bukas Pa, for it reached the gold record mark po.
Wow!
Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng bumili ng album at sa lahat po ng
Galing mo talaga
supporters
bro, napakagaling mo!
ng May Bukas Pa album. Maraming salamat po.
Miss na namin si Santino.
May tanong lang ako, Miss Sasha. Eric, napaka-heartfelt nung pagkakanta mo.
Oo.
Kanino ko ba nagdodraw ng inspiration pag kinakanta mo yung May Bukas Pa?
Kay bro.
Kay bro,
Kay bro siya. Para kay bro tong album na to at tong awitin na ito.
Congratulations, guys!
Ayun po, out pa rin po ang May Bukas Pa album sa lahat po ng record bar. So, inspirational album po ito. Sana po makakuha kayo ngayon.
And also part syempre ng success ng album na to, si Sijan Haranilia. And of course, sa lahat po ng artist na naging involved dito sa album, congratulations din. Alright, congratulations. At mas marami pang surprises ang ibibigay namin. Here are Jericho Rosales, Richard Poon, and Noel Cabangon.
Tayo ay matanda. Sana di tayo magbago. Kailanman nasaan may ito ang pag-aarap ko. Makuha mo pa
ASAP XV. And of course, thank you so much, Richard and Echo, for joining him. But before anything else po, we would like to call in from Universal Records, Mr. Ito Rapadas, the OPM Department Head.
Okay, your supporters and your fans, Noel, will say that this is long overdue. Universal Records is proud to present this Gold Record Award for the outstanding sales of your album, Biyahe. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng bumili ng iyong album and for making this album the #1 album in all music stores for the last 15 weeks. So congratulations.
Congratulations po, Mr. Noel.
Say something.
Well, it's my first time to be with a major label, and thank you very much for this really big opportunity. Maraming salamat sa Universal Records for giving me this opportunity, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at bumili ng album. Maraming salamat po. This for all of us. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ito.
Thank you so much, Mr. Noel Cabang, and congratulations again.
Yes, sir. Congratulations. It's an honor to share the stage with you. Thank you. Okay, up next, mas matinding kantahan sa Grand Face Off, only here on ASAP XV. Kantahan.
Chance nyo ring ma-experience ang Bora sa ASAP XV Text Promo. Subscribe lang to ASAP XV Weekly Tones and text ASAP space on to 2366 for a chance to win ASAP XV passes, exclusive ASAP XV